Hey, what's up guys, my name is Parsa, welcome back to my channel. I was working on my final project and I made this Zoro Monster AI and I'm super excited to show you how does it look like, okay? Let's jump into it, let's go. Let's take a look at the Monster AI. This is how he spawns in the middle of the scene. This game was a tower defense game, third-person shooter, and I was thinking like having a boss enemy at the end of the waves, like when all the waves came, and at the end we're gonna have a boss enemy which comes and he tries to destroy you. Like this is the last level of the game. So look at this, like this is crazy. Like he goes through stuff and he jumps and he deal damage. Like this is really nice. Like I had like 3 different challenges to make it, and I'm going to talk about those challenges. They were really interesting. If you are into AI and video games, you're probably gonna like the rest of the video. But first I'm gonna say why I made something like this. So I was testing my towers and projectiles and I put like 2000 different objects into the scene. I was thinking like this is I just wanted to test the towers, but it gave me an idea of making an enemy like that. And now I'm going to show you guys how I approach solving a problem like this. Step by steps, we go through it, and if you had any question, just let me know. So first I made a scene with 2000 spheres and they have add force to go to the initialized position, and that's it. And I made them to print Parsa, which was really interesting, and at the same time it was really simple. That was the first step and I nailed it, and I was super hyped, and I jumped into the next step, which was adding the skeleton, which I downloaded from Maximo, and I forced those spheres to go to every single part of the body. So for example, I manually set like 20 spheres, goes to the head, some of them go to the hand, the head, body to make the human, and also I added the animation to make the AI to be able to walk into the scene, but I was not happy with that because it was not a generic code. I had to manually force those points to go to the head and hand and legs, but I wanted to make a generic code, which was the first challenge. So I went through the code and I made a very generic code, and right now you can make a dragon, you can make a horse, swarming AI, any kind of animal you want. You can just drag and drop your skeleton, and that's it. You have the AI. So the second step is done, which was the adding the skeleton and animation, and now that's the time to go to the next one. So what was the next challenge? I was thinking like, okay, if you destroy this giant's head, what will happen? You don't want to fight with a giant who doesn't have a head. So I made 3 functions that the boss can heal himself. So what exactly is happening? When a cell dies, it says, okay, I need one cell from the children. I can explain it in this picture much better. It's like a root, and if you destroy one part of the body, all the children try to fill the upper layer, and they try to donate one cell to the upper layer. And there we go. And if I destroy the stomach, and as you can see, it's got it from the legs and it healed himself, and that's it. And after I finished the challenge, next one was the damaging attack, which I found this cool animation in Maximo again, and I added into our enemy, and that was the end result. Now you're watching this Storm AI in the VR perspective, because when we made the game we had like 2 versions. One of them was for PC and one of them was in VR, and this is the VR perspective. It was really cool, guys. Yeah, that was it. If you like this type of videos, just subscribe to not miss the next video, and let me know if you have any question. Put it in the comment or join to the Discord and ask it over there. And that's it. I hope to see you in the next video, and have a lovely day. Bye.